Hello, students. Good evening. Here I will speak on noun, which is very important. And please don't ignore noun. It's not simple topic because many questions come from noun, right? Because you must be aware that there are three categories of noun. Some nouns are used always, some nouns are always used as singular, some there is a list, and some nouns are always used as plural, and some are same. That is the depends on the context. That's whether it is singular or plural. So we'll see here plural, so the a list of nouns which is of plural, and then later on I'll tell a list of nouns which are always used as singular. So here first of all, nouns always plural, of course, will be followed by plural verbs. So these nouns are always used. This a list, following list is given. That's a with the plural verb, right? So that's a first of all you should know plural verbs are, were, have, or a verb without an s ending, means they are talking about the main verb, right? So four things you should keep in mind for following nouns. These are always used as plural. Trousers, right? So that's my trousers are torn. Though your trouser means from one side, but you have to use trousers, right? So trousers, spectacles. His new spectacles were costly, though it's a single, but it is in pair, and that's why spectacles. Scissors. These scissors are very sharp. Cattle. The cattle are grazing in the field, right? Police, very important. This is asked in exam. The police have arrived, right? So that's a police have arrived at the scene, not police is arrived. Police has arrived or police uh, are arrived, right? And then arms is our arms are restricted in indoor. Arms were given to the poor. Then goods, that is not quality, that's a goodest thing. So that's a all the goods have been sold, right? Then savings, her savings are securely invested. Then thanks, thank you is different, but my sincere thanks are due to you, right? So that's a thanks. Never say thank her. Thank you is different case. Similarly, we have another list, nouns with same, singular or plural. Sometimes singular means singular, plural means plural, whatever the situation, but it will be used as singular, sometime plural. This is the fixed status. So these nouns remain the same whether referring to one or many. The verb form singular or plural depends. Important thing is that the verb form singular or plural depends on the context, right? And the preceding number or article. What's the context? That's a singular. Sheep. So sheep can be used as singular or plural. But sheep is sheep. Suppose you are saying that one sheep is lost in the woods, so that is one sheep, so that is why is. If you are saying many sheep were seen on the hills, so many because of, but sheep is sheep in both the cases. Here many, that's why we have used were. Here one, that's why we have used singular verb is. So this way these verbs are used. Deer. A deer was drinking water. Right? So a deer was drinking was. Two deer run faster than one. So two deer, right? Two deer does not mean deers. Two deer run faster than one. So please take care. Then series. Series is always singular word. So series is. series are? Depends. This TV series is very long, right? And these three series are my favorite. So that's a depend on the situation, but in both the situation, it is always used as plural. The upper one is always used. Deer, sheep is always used as singular, but not singular. But that's a there is no s form for plural, right? Then aircraft. Aircraft was delayed due to fog, or several aircraft were cancelled, right? In Indore, so that several aircraft were cancelled, right? But not aircrafts. Aircraft were cancelled. Then fish. A large fish was caught today, and he caught six fish in the river. Not fishes. But fishes is used in different way. I tell you later on. Then dozen. I bought a dozen apples and I need 4 dozen eggs. Right? Not 4 dozens egg, 4 dozen eggs. And then last is offspring. My eldest offspring is a doctor. His all offsprings are well settled. Children, offspring is children, are well settled. So my eldest a child is a doctor, or my eldest offspring is a doctor. All his offspring are well settled. What is that? Is a note for fish. The word like fish, the plural form fishes is sometimes used when referring to different species of fish, but fish is a standard plural. But if you are talking about different species, I have seen different species of fishes, then you can use fishes. Otherwise, standard term is fish, right? So this is a very short video on the noun forms which are always used as plural, and some nouns are always same, it remains same in singular situation or in plural, but it will remain same. So these two lists we have seen. Please take care whenever you use, and do practice, writing practice, speaking practice, so that it these words will retain in your mind. Thank you so much. God bless you.